Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here how to find complex power, average power and reactive power from the given data, that is voltage, that is RMS voltage given and impedance is given here. Now how can you find this complex power, average power and reactive power from this data? So this is a problem from AC circuit analysis. How can you find it? So if you know the complex power, we can easily find average power and reactive power. Now how can you find the complex power? From the RMS voltage and impedance is given here. Now what is the relation is there for these three parameters? So we know that the complex power S equal to magnitude of voltage whole square upon conjugate of impedance. So this is the standard formula between these three parameters. From this, magnitude is 80 square upon conjugate of impedance. Conjugate means keep magnitude as this and apply minus of phase angle, that is minus 30. So 30 becomes minus 30. Now it becomes 80 into 80 upon 50. So this phase angle will go to numerator as 30 degrees. 0 cancel, 5 ones, 5 sixteens, 16 is 128 with phase angle 30 degrees. So this is the complex power. But here we want again average power and reactive power. So for that, convert this into complex form. So this is in phasor form. Convert into complex form. By using calculator, we will get this as 110.85 plus J64. Or we can convert this. So whenever R angle theta is given, so it can be converted into complex form, that is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is the standard form for converting any phasor form into complex form. So by applying this, we will get complex power like this. So from phasor form to complex form. Here the units of complex power is volt amperes. Okay, complex power is over. Now how can you find the average power and reactive power? So average power is nothing but the real part of complex power is called as a average power, that is 110.85. Average power units is watts. So this is the average power. Now what is the reactive power? So reactive power is nothing but the imaginary part, that is 64. Units are var. So this is the reactive power and this is average power and this is complex power in complex number form and in phasor form. This is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.